In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have a display ad set up on your GoDaddy site using Google AdSense, with clear steps you can follow right away. First, open your browser and head to Google. Search for GoDaddy and open the official site. Sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and open your account menu. Then choose My Products. Find the website you want to monetize and click into it to open the site editor. In the editor, go to the top right again and open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the AdSense option. This is where we'll paste the ad code in a moment. Now switch to Google AdSense in a new tab and sign in to your approved account. In AdSense, go to the Ads section. Choose the option to set up ads by ad unit, then select Display Ads. Give your ad unit a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later in your reports. Next, choose a size. Responsive is usually the best pick because it automatically adjusts to different screens and layouts. When you're ready, click Create, and AdSense will generate your ad code. Click Copy to copy the full HTML snippet to your clipboard. Head back to your Open GoDaddy Editor tab. In the AdSense area you opened earlier, you'll see a field or block labeled for an AdSense script or similar. Paste the HTML code you just copied from AdSense into that field. This embeds your display ad on the site without you needing to edit template files. When everything looks good, click Publish to push the change live. A few tips as you wrap up. If your site is new to AdSense or was just added, ads may take a little while to appear while AdSense verifies and begins serving. This can range from several minutes to a few hours. If you still don't see ads later, check your AdSense account for any alerts or policy notifications, and make sure the site is listed and verified in the Sites section of AdSense. For best results, place display ads where they're visible without being distracting. Responsive units near the top of content often perform well. Avoid stacking too many ads, and always follow AdSense policies to maintain your account in good standing. Finally, view your site in an incognito window and on mobile to confirm the ad renders properly. That's it. You've connected AdSense to your GoDaddy website, created a display ad unit, pasted the code, and published your changes.